Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing the October 2018 Beauteque Beauty Box. This is the box it comes in. Address is on the bottom. Let's check her out. Creepy cute for October. Adorable. Some info there, their Instagram thing. That's the information. Stuck on you. So cute. I love these stickers. Oh, I hate ruining the tissue paper, but I love the stickers. Okay, let's see what we got here. Yes. I just ran out of my last package. Green tea, facial cleansing tissue. Thick soft tissue soaked in cleansing green tea solution that helps dissolve makeup, dirt, and oil. Perfect. Royal Jelly Wrinkle Care Cream. Looks really nice packaging. Let's see here. So there was two choices for us. It looks like you received one cream. I got the Royal Jelly and the other one was Luxury Caviar. Firm up fine lines and wrinkles with this nourishing face cream. Last step of your nightly skincare. Fancy! Ooh. Soft Cover Pore Balm. Cool. Let's read a little bit about that. Soft Cover Pore Balm. This soft texture primer helps fill in fine lines and enlarge pores to create a smooth canvas for applying makeup. Very nice. I usually use the Smashbox Photo Finish, but I'm always looking for new stuff. I mean, let's be honest, I don't wear makeup very often at all. Anyway. Ooh, Collagen Eye Zone Mask. That looks pretty good. Collagen Eye Zone Mask. Why we love it. Scary bags on your eyes. Refresh your skin. Sweet. Semi-Pro Multicolor. The SEM. What did I get? Pearl. I got the color Pearl. Let's see what it is. Semi-Pro Multicolor. Add a pop of color with these trending pigments. Pearl is a shimmering highlighter that can be alone or mixed with foundation. Cool. Awesome. So this is a more makeup heavy box. Oh my god. So this is the item this month. They usually send like a not product item. And this one is this adorable little headband. That is so cute. I can't wait to use it. It's a mousse headband and it is so freaking cute. So again, here's everything that comes in this box this month. These are all the items laid out. I love this box. I can't say it enough. I love this box. This box is full-size items, including hair care, body care, skin care, and makeup, as well as a lifestyle item like an eye mask or a headband or a makeup brush, whatever. And it's less than $25 straight to my door every month. I love it. It's a good value. I highly recommend it to you guys. I almost always use everything in the box, and what I don't use I can pass along to friends. It is consistently been a pleasure to get. I haven't really had very many duds with this brand. I will stay with Beauteque Beauty Box probably for as long as I am able. As always, I appreciate your guys' feedback, so please like this video, comment if you have any suggestions, if you have any boxes you would like to try, if you think that you really want to keep seeing more from me, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next month.